Hello friends, today we are going to compare fractions with another method, and this method is called cross multiplication method. This method is an easy method which is quite different from the traditional method which we usually follow, and we can say it's a tricky method to do the maths fast as it consumes less time. By just looking the fraction mentally, we can tell which one is bigger, which one is smaller, or sometimes equal also. Let me start comparing two fractions. Here you see I have already written some examples. Now we'll compare them by using this cross multiplication method. Suppose here 5 by 6, 1 by 4. Then for comparing these two, which one is fractions, which one is bigger, which one is smaller, we'll just do these things. Compare, multiply 5 with 4 and 6 with 1. This numerator with denominator of second one, and numerator of second one with denominator of first one. So 5 fours are how much? 20, and 6 ones are 6. Then which one is greater here? 20 is greater than 6. Then we will write 5 by 6 is greater than 1 by 4. Understand? With the numerator, always you remember one thing. Always start with the numerator of first number. Okay, first fraction. So we are starting with 5. That means numerator of first fraction. 5 with 4. That means 40. And 6 with 1. That means 6. As 20 is greater than 6, so this fraction 5 by 6 is greater than 1 by 4. Now I will do one by one like this. 3 22s are how much? 66. 11 6 are 66. So I will put here equal, and here I am starting again with the numerator. 4 2s are how much? 8. 5 1s are 5. Which one is greater? 8 is greater, so this one is greater. 10 3s are 30. 12 2s are 24. Which one is greater? 30 is greater. That means this fraction is greater. 8 4s are 32. 11 3s are 33. Which one is greater? 33 is greater than 32. So this one is greater. You see, so simple. I think within 1 minute I have done all the sums. Pretty simple, isn't it? But when there are more than two fractions, and if it is asked to keep them in any order like ascending descending order, then how can we do this? Okay, let's take another example. So exercise 2a, question number 3. Arrange the fractions in ascending order. 4 by 5, 7 by 15, 3 by 10, half. Okay, now let me do this sum using cross multiplication method. Here more than two fractions are given, and we will have to find which one is bigger, which one is smaller, and then we will arrange them in ascending order. That means small to big. Okay, so for this we will have to first take 4 by 5, and we will use these three fractions. We will see which one is greater. 4 by 5. I am comparing with 7 by 15 first. Again 4 by 5 comparing with 3 by 10. Again 4 by 5 comparing with half. Now you see, first I am starting with numerator. 4 15s are how much? 60. 5 7s are 35. Which one is greater? 4 by 5. This one is greater. 4 10s are 40. 5 3s are 15. Which one is greater? 40 is greater than 15. This one is greater. 4 2s are 8. 5 1s are 5. Which one is greater? 8 is greater than 5. So 4 by 5 is greater. Okay. Interestingly, you see here 4 by 5 is greater than all these remaining three fractions. That means 4 by 5 is the largest one. Okay. So we have found that 4 by 5 is greater than all these three fractions. Now I am going to compare this 7 by 15 with remaining two ones, because 7 by 15 we won't have to compare again with 4 by 5 because it's already done. Okay, so I am writing here 7 by 15, and then 3 by 10. Again 7 by 15 with half. Now you see 7 tens are 70, 15 threes are 45. Which one is greater? 70. So this one is greater. 7 twos are 14, 15 ones are 15. Which one is greater? 15. That means half is greater than 7 by 15. So here in this case 7 by 15 is greater than 3 by 10, but 7 by 15 is less than half. Okay, now I am comparing 3 by 10 and half. 3 by 10 and half. You see, again I am starting with numerator of first fraction. 3 twos are 6, 10 ones are 10. Which one is greater? 10 is greater than 6. That means half is greater than 3 by 10. Now you tell me what is the sequence. Which one is the smallest one? Which one is second smallest or largest one? Second largest, third largest, like this. Yes, 4 by 5 is the largest one, and in second position which one will be there? You see, 7 by 15 is greater than 3 by 10. Again 3 by 10 is less than half. That means half is greater than 7 by 15, half is greater than 3 by 10. Only half is less than 4 by 5. That means half will be in the second position. If I write like this, 4 by 5 is the largest one, which is greater than, second position is half. As half is greater than 3 by 10, half is greater than 7 by 15. So this is half. And in third position, you see 7 divided by 15 is greater than 3 by 10. That means this is 7 divided by 15. And in last position, 3 divided by 10 will come. So you see 3 by 10 is the smallest one, then 7 by 15, then half, and then largest one is 4 by 5. But here in the question it is written ascending order, that means small to big. So we'll have to make our sequence, our order like small to big. Which one is the smallest? 3 by 10. So our order will be 3 by 10, comma 7 divided by 15, comma half, comma 4 divided by 5. So this will be the answer. Okay, in this way you can do by using cross multiplication method, and I think it consumes less time for than this LCM method. You can use any method whichever you feel comfortable and easy, but the thing is that this cross multiplication method, in case you don't find it easy now, still you keep practicing from now, as in higher classes or entrance exams this method will be very much useful one, as it takes minimum time, and in competitive exams time management is very much important. So practice from now, as practice makes perfect. So spend some time doing the exercises for this section. See you in next time. So this is a tips time. Number 1, the fractional part in a mixed fraction should always be a proper fraction. So if your answer is like 1 by 4, then this one is a right one, as here numerator is less than denominator. But if your answer is like 5 divided by 4, then this one will be a wrong one, as in this case numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, tips number 2. In case of identifying like and unlike fractions, you pay your full attention on denominators only, as denominators will decide whether they are like or unlike. For example, if I write like 1 by 7, 5 by 7, 9 by 7, then they are like fraction, and this one is the right one, because you see all denominators are equal. But if I write like 2 divided by 5, 2 divided by 9, 2 divided by 11. These are not like fraction. Here denominators are unequal. Okay.
So thank you for watching. If you find my video a useful one, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share my video. মোৰ ভিডিঅ' যদি আপোনালোকৰ ভাল লাগিছে, ইউজফুল লাগিছে, তেনেহ'লে অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু লগতে মোৰ ভিডিঅ' শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব। আমার ভিডিওটি যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগেছে, ইউজফুল লেগেছে, তাহলে কাইন্ডলি আমার চ্যানেল ক্র্যাকিং ম্যাথস উইথ সুফিয়াকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। সঙ্গে ভিডিওটি শেয়ার করতে ভুলবেন না কিন্তু। সি ইউ নেক্সট টাইম। বাই।